If you want to video call on Telegram on your laptop, this video will walk you through the exact steps in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you want to start a one-on-one video call with a contact or begin a video chat in a group or channel, I'll show you how to do it quickly on desktop. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure Telegram is open on your laptop and that you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Telegram screen, decide whether you want to video call a single contact or start a group or channel video chat, because the steps are slightly different. If you want to video call a contact, open the chat with that person first. You can do this by searching their name or selecting them from your recent chats. Once the conversation window is open, look to the top right corner of the chat. You'll see the call icon there. Click that call icon to begin the call process. After the call starts, make sure your camera is toggled on so the other person can see you. If your camera is off, just click the video or camera button to turn it on. You can also check your microphone and speaker settings before or during the call so everything sounds clear. If you want to video call in a group or channel, the process is a little different. First, open the group or channel chat. Then click the name at the top of the chat window to open the group or channel info page. In that info section, look for the video chat icon. Click that icon to start the video chat session. Depending on the group settings, you may need to wait for others to join or for the group admin to allow the call to begin. Once the video chat is live, you can keep your camera on and participate just like you would in a normal call. If you do not see the video option right away, double check that Telegram is updated to the latest version on your laptop. Also make sure your camera and microphone permissions are enabled in your computer settings because Telegram needs access to those devices in order to video call properly. If something still is not working, try closing and reopening Telegram or restart your laptop and test again. So to quickly recap, for a private contact, open the chat and click the call icon at the top right, then turn your camera on once the call begins. For a group or channel, open the chat, click the name at the top, and choose the video chat icon from the info panel. That's really all it takes to start a Telegram video call on your laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.